guys, and welcome back to my channel, Mastering Languages, where this process becomes smart, easy, and fun. Today, it's our first French lesson, so make sure to check my first video before this one. I will leave you the link in the description below, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. So let's get started. French is a non-phonetic language, which means, as I said in the previous video, that it's not written the same way it's spelled. This doesn't mean that it is so hard, but it means there is more rules and exceptions. Well, if you want to know how much French is important, take a look at this map that shows you all the countries that speak French. So I think it's a big reason to consider studying French. Just like most languages, French is alphabetic. And cheer up, it's only one alphabet, and it's just like English, 26 letters. The only thing that will change is the spelling. And I will try to make it even easier for you. Okay, let's get into work. The alphabet in French, just like English, is simplified in a very cute song, very bright music by Mozart called À vous dirai-je maman.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Maintenant je les connais, toutes les lettres de l'alphabet.
So, French alphabet has 6 vowels and 20 consonants, just like English. To know what are the vowels, all you have to do is to write the word oiseau and drop the S and replace it by Y. Simple, right? The consonants are the rest of the letters. Cheer up, now you know both vowels and consonants. Let's build some words using the French alphabet. Chat, which means cat. Pomme, which means apple. Arbre, which means tree. I repeat. Chat, pomme, arbre. Chat, pomme, arbre. As for the phrases structures, we have a SVO formation, which means subject, verb, object. Pretty easy, isn't it? Je mange la pomme. I eat the apple. Je mange l'orange. I eat the orange. Je mange les pommes. I eat the apples. I repeat. Je mange la pomme. Je mange l'orange. Je mange les pommes. Je mange la pomme. Je mange l'orange. Je mange les pommes. As you can see, it's a vocab summary chart, and this kind of tables will always be at the end of my videos, so you can memorize them. And if you did, within a few weeks, you will discover a big difference. Je means I, pomme means apple, orange means orange, chat means cat, arbre means tree, la, le, les, et l'apostrophe means the. And I will explain it in another video. That's everything for today. I hope it wasn't so tough for you. Let me know in the comments, and see you next week in my next video, French Lesson 2.